Okay, number 14, it says you need to write 8.2 times 10 to the 9th power bits as gigabits. Okay. So you got you write the number of scientific 8.2 times 10 to the 9th over 1. Make sure you put the bits label with that. And you want to get it out of bits and into gigabits. Now you're not going to see bits on there. You have to look up the word giga, okay? And giga's that second one right there, and that's the one you're going to use, okay? So you put 1 with giga. And then with the bits, because 1 giga, and then with the bits, just put 10 to the power of 9. Don't write all that. Don't write that big number. So it's 10 to the 9th power. So you multiply that by 1. It's the same thing. And then 1 times that is just 10 to the 9th. Okay, now here's what you're going to do. You're going to cross out to divide. You're just going to divide these two. The 8.2 stays. So you cross out the 10 to the 9th, and you go up here and subtract your 9, and that's 0. 10 to the 0 power. So you can write 8.2 times 10 to the 0. Or if it's to the 0 power, you can just write 8.2. Okay, then number 15, you're converting 3.2 times 10 to the negative 3rd amperes to micro amperes. Okay, so you got 3.2 times 10 to the negative 3rd over 1, and that's amperes. Just put am. So you want to get it out of amperes and into micro amperes. Now you just need to look up the prefix micro. It's not going to say amperes. You have to look up micro. There's micro right there. Okay, so you put 1 with micro. And then with the amperes themselves, you put 10 to the negative 6th. So then the amperes cancel. It's going to be the same thing. So 3.1, that times 1 just stays the same. And then you divide that by 10 to the negative 6. So you do the same thing. You take negative 3 minus negative 6. But really, when you subtract a negative, that's like adding 6. So it's negative 3 plus 6, which is 3. So the answer is 3.2 times 10 to the 3rd power. Just used, for the power, just use that key with your 6.